Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Audi A6 C7 and how to change the oil and the oil filter. As far as all the stuff and the supplies I use, I'll have it listed down below in my description box. And what we're going to be needing is a couple of dead jacks, the oil filter, 5 quarts of 0W40, a jack, an oil drain bucket, a funnel, and also some tools. So now, without wasting any time, let's get started with the oil change on my Audi. So I have my Audi jacked up, and I also have 2 dead jacks behind just for safety. So right underneath the car on the front side, the oil drain plug is right there. But to gain access to it, there might be a panel underneath that you might have to remove. My car didn't have it, but if yours does, there's going to be a few bolts on each side that you're going to have to remove. But once it's out of the way, you're going to look for the oil pan, which is right here. And there's our drain plug. To open up the drain plug, I'm going to be using a hex 6mm socket. And once I have it open, I'm going to let the oil drain out. I already have my bucket ready underneath. So now while the oil is draining, I'm going to go underneath the hood, remove the engine cover. And here are the 2 places we're going to be working with. This is where we're going to add the oil, and this is our oil filter. So while the oil is draining, I'm going to open up the oil filter. So I've let the oil drain for about 10 minutes. It's completely done, and now what I'm going to do is clean up the area around the drain plug, reinstall the drain plug, and lower the car. Now it's time to install my new oil filter. Before installing the new oil filter, I'm going to put a little bit of oil around the O-ring and then screw it into the oil filter housing, and it's going to be just spun on hand tight. My new oil filter is installed, and the last step is to add our new engine oil. My specific car is the 2012 Audi A6 2.0T front wheel drive, and it calls for 5 quarts of oil. And I've completely added that oil, and now what I'm going to do is reinstall the engine cap, the engine cover, close the hood, and take the car for a test drive. So I really hope this video helped you guys out, not only to change the engine oil, but also save a lot of money on this oil change. And like always, I would really appreciate it if you guys could hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel, as I'm going to be having a lot more videos on this Audi and my other vehicles as well. Thank you.